What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Tommy Kittner here. Hope everybody's having a great day. Today we're going to install I can't talk today. Today we're going to install the Cobb Big SFs for my 2017 GTR, and right now we're going to get into the unboxing. Very nicely packed. Looks like you got a Cobb license plate and some stickers. Intakes. And then a little install card, or who packed it. Comes with your coupler. Intake, or your not intake, but your air filter, and then some hardware. Alright, and then on the car, looks like we're going to have to undo this, and then undo your mass airflow sensor. And then if you can see off back in there, that's going to come off the turbo inlet. And then the same thing on this side. So I'm going to do that, and then when I get it out, I'll kind of show you what to look for if you're installing it on your GTR. And it should be about the same from 09 to 19. Alright, I'm going to start by taking this off because the intake's set right under this, and then I'm going to take this off, get it out of the way, and I have to get all the way back there, so it's just going to help with that. And then as I get that done, I'll get back with you guys and kind of walk you through what I did. I removed the cover, and that's what's behind there. I think the intakes are going to set like right in here and then right in here, so I might have to take this out too. All you got to do to get this little foghorn deal out is to remove that clip, and then it'll snake out of there. But that's got to be removed too. And then I've unbolted this, and then I'm going to unplug the mass airflow and undo that clip, and then this whole box should come out, and I'll let you know how it goes. Alright, I got this out, and then off in there. But you have to remove this enough to pick it up and then slide it out, and then this right here should just come off the turbo inlet with a little slight finagling. and then your coupler is going to go back on there. I'm just trying to pull off. And then we'll have to remove, put the mass airflow in the new intake. So I'm going to go do that now. Alright guys, you have to remove the clamps off of this that comes on the stock air box. It'll be 2 clamps, one like this and one a little smaller. And then the kit will come with a silicone coupler that goes back on the inlet, and you put that on there with the smaller clamp I already put back there, and then this one goes on the front, and then your intake is set in inside there on this, and then you'll lock it down, and then you'll feed it through here, and then your air filter set there. So once I get all that in, I'll show you, and we'll move on to the other side. Alright guys, here's the intake installed, and like I said, that clamp's back there, the mass airflow, and then here. The big step to do with this is you're going to have to smush this a little bit and turn it down in there, and then get it a little bit out of the way, and then you have to finagle this down in this section first, and then work it back in there. Really not the easiest intake I've ever put on, and it's a real snug fit for this, and it's kind of difficult to get in. That's what she said. But but we're going to move on to the next one. On the intakes, I mean, lubrication is your friend, so if you put a little double WD on it, it should slide right in. And the thing about WD was when it dries, it's like glue, so don't worry about it, you know, still spinning in there and stuff, or a risk of coming off the intake. But I'm going to tackle this side, try to get this finished up. It's hot out here. And then we'll take it down the road and some AC and have a little fun. But I'll be back in a few. Alright guys, I got this side buttoned back up, put the intercooler piping back on, hooked it up to the throttle body, plugged up all my sensors. This side I finally got out and finally got in, and these right here, it's just a pain in that, you know what, to get that in. Like, I don't know why they didn't make the air filter just a tad bit bigger, but got it on off in there. All I got left is put the intercooler pipe back and load a map to it and fire it up. So I'm going to get on that, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, I just flashed the map on for the big intakes, 3-inch intakes, and this is going to be the first start, so let's fire it up. Alright guys, I'm gonna let it warm up and then we're gonna take it for a ride. So stay tuned. Oh yeah, she rolls now. Alright guys, that's a review on the Cobb Big SF intakes for the 2017 GTR. I really like them. You can actually hear the exhaust valves now and a little bit more of turbo noise. The install is not the easiest, I'm not going to lie to you. If they made like the inner rubber piece just a smidgen bigger, I think they would just slide on there and you'd be able to lock them down with the clamps. But they're really a pain in the butt to get on the intakes, so that's the only gripe I have about them. But other than that, I think we've made some more power. I'm gonna do a little custom tweaking here and there and try to get a little bit more. But next is coming up, going to be downpipes, intercooler, injectors. We're just going to go full bolt-on E85 and really send it. But there's going to be more podcasts to come, so let me know how y'all guys like that stuff, and drop a comment below on what you would like us to talk about, or if you want to know something about something, we'll talk about that. But thank you guys as always for watching. Hit that like button if you like what you've seen, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And thanks. Peace.